So dynamic buffer. So I'll finish with today the dynamic buffer. I'll discuss with you. And next to tomorrow, the Excel operations are there. So the Excel operations I will tell you in tomorrow's session. Okay. And see, dynamic buffer means we already know about it. There is no standard module for dynamic buffer. So to buffer a value dynamically, there is no particular standard models because it is not a static. If we want to store any dynamic value which is generated by application, okay, and I'll just write down here. There is no standard module to buffer a value dynamically. So if you want to store any dynamic value which is generated by application, here you will get confused here. What is that? So random number, random text, I use that ungenerated dynamic values, correct? But when I go to store the value, why can't we use dynamic buffer instead of static? So static means what? You are saying to Tosca that generate the values. Okay. But dynamic is application is generating the value. Static means those are generating the value. Dynamic means application is generating the value. Okay. So don't confuse here. What is static buffer and dynamic buffer? So you are not generating the value here. Don't be confused. So dynamic values which are generated by application itself without your interaction. In that situation, you can use dynamic buffer. Okay. And it is just an expression method to verify the content. So this is the a basic definition of it. It is just an expression method to verify the content. For example, this is demo workshop, right? I'll go to apparel and shoes, belt, add to cart. Mm, I'm going to shopping on cart. Click on I agree. Checkout. Can you go login? Now see here. you will get thank you page, correct? See here, once you complete the purchase of the product, you are able to see the success message. Your order has been successfully proceed, right? And next, your order has been successfully proceed. That this we are going to whatever I have sent the screenshot. In screenshot the last screenshot thank you page. So in that thank you page, we have used inner text and we verify the content of this and order number. On order this order number, we are going to verify directly. So order number, which is specific number to purchase. Now, I mean, if I go and buy one more belt, then you will get one more order number. Correct? Application itself generating some value dynamically on its own. So now, how to store this value? So now this is 1865197. If you buy one more belt, what happen? You will get another order number. If you buy another, once again, the third one, I mean, if you choose any other product, it will generate another order number. So, but how to store this value? If you go execute the test case, then it will fail because order number is different. When you purchase another product, it will generate order number and or another order number. So it means application itself generated some dynamic value on its own. So, but how will go and store the value? In that case, I will be using this dynamic buffer. And what is the syntax of it? Of it? Dynamic buffer syntax.
XB.
Square bracket, capital SB, this one. This is the dynamic buffer syntax. In between, name of the buffer, you have to give. But what we are going to do? Order number, I want to buffer and I want to store the value, correct? Whatever they generate dynamically, I want to store the value. So that's why I'm going to give order something ID. Okay. So in interview question, if they ask you what is the difference between static buffer and dynamic buffer, then you should say, I will write down here. Please note down after this session. Don't be confused, guys. I mean, number of people they confuse. What is static and dynamic? Static means flower bracket, B, square bracket, and then closed. And this buffer using action mode. What is the action mode that we used at that time? We used buffer. Okay. In square bracket, what you will give name of the buffer.
Buffer. Yes.
Okay. Static means whatever you are giving, the syntax is this one, and you should use action mode buffer. Next, dynamic. Dynamic, what you will choose? Square bracket, capital SB, this one. This is the syntax. And at that time, you will choose the action mode verify. Okay. Whenever you use static one, action mode will be buffer. Whenever you use dynamic syntax, the action mode will be buffer and here verify. So order number is a content and that content it is verified and then take a value from that content, right? So that's why the dynamic buffer action mode is verified. So static buffer is used to store the normal predefined values or whatever the values that the user is giving to the application. So dynamic buffer is used to store the values dynamically which are being generated by the application and tell them syntax. Okay, guys. So, Kiran, did you complete this end-to-end test case?
Yes, but for me, this dynamic buffer, as you showed in the screenshot, I applied it, but it's giving error. I'll share my screen.
I'm not audible. Sorry, Kiran, you are not audible.
Hello. Hello.
You're saying something or not? I don't
Yes, yes.
understand. It is very silent.
Hello.
Are you there?
Yes, yes.
But it's not audible, Kiran. You're saying something, but I'm not. Sorry, sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Here, what I'm doing. Yeah, now tell me.
think he's going to rejoin once again.
Actually, here my sound is in mute condition.
Hello. Am I audible now?
Yeah, now audible.
Okay. Yeah, what I did was uh, for this uh, dynamic buffer, right? So I have used it, but as per the screenshot, but for me it is giving error. What I was trying to say.
Okay.
I'll share my screen if you want.
Yeah, please share your screen. I'm going to stop this one. Yeah.
Okay.
I just want to explain what is because Rajesh also have they asked like what is the inner text. We are using inner text and we are going to buffer it. So at that time we are using at the same time inner text and the buffer. I said I'll explain in further sessions. So that's why I take that scenario in dynamic buffer and I'm want to explain why I'm what I have done here.
I'm
Click
sharing
on
my screen.
checkout. Thank you. Yeah. Click out checkout. Thank you page. Okay. Where is the inner text? Okay, inner text, but order number message. Mm, but here not. You didn't something wrong. Can you please scroll down?
So this was the thank you. I have captured this thank you in a text as well. Then I captured this successful message that I
Okay.
verified. Then what the order number and this dynamic generated order number. What I am doing is
Okay.
see inner text by order number and this number or dynamic order number.
You should not give in buffer not here. Inner text only you are going to verify the content order number and XB whatever the given syntax delete that here. The dynamic buffer syntax delete that and you should give directly.
Okay.
Hmm. And that also like order number whatever that you give what is that
This only, right?
that only delete the order number whatever quotation what is that semicolon also delete that please.
But in inner text, it is coming with semicolon only, right? Not semicolon, this what we call as
Try it delete that Just
delete
try
this
it.
one.
No. Go in, I mean, in the text, whatever. Yeah.
Huh?
Uh, okay. Mm-hmm. Just a minute. Okay. And what? Click on continue.
Sorry.
Can you please scroll down the screen? Click continue. Okay. Okay, guys. So here, so we are going to, I mean, the order success message we are going to verify, and order number message is we are going to verify and buffer. So just order number, whatever we are, you are doing, right? Order number message, right, just a right click and go to jump to module.
Sorry, I'm not getting.
Give a right click. Here, order number, whatever you are doing, right? Jump to module attribute. Is there any screenshots out there? Double
This
click
one.
on it. Double click. Yeah. So see the screenshot and check order number. And that is different number, right? And see the properties and select outer text, whatever the order number you are giving, right? So just go to uh, close it. Close this. Close the screenshot. Mm.
Don't have
It is
option to
not
close.
close screenshot. Okay, it is in showing in screen and top of the screen. Uh, Once in a while I have stuck here. Oh yeah. So now open that. Click on order number. Right. Give a right click. Not. Okay. Just hold on. There is a properties, right? Order number. Properties. Where it is properties. That.
This one.
No. Right side of the right side. Properties. There is right.
Huh?
Yeah. Just scroll down and outer text. Whatever outer text is there. Outer text. After engine, outer
Yes,
text
this
is there.
one.
Click on that and give a order number star mark. Delete the number, give a star mark. Star mark. Yeah. Okay. It means when I run the test case, when I use this in many test cases, if I purchase many products, even though whatever you do, the control will not change. When I scan the control, it check only order number is there or not and verified it. And whatever we are giving, right, inner text, go to test cases. Test case.
Test case, huh? Okay.
Yeah. Test case here. Inner text is there, and inner text, whatever what we are
Which one? You know?
what are doing. And inner text equals to order number. Order number give semicolon. Give a semicolon. Okay. And there is a dynamic buffer syntax and giving a verify. So I am just first of all verifying the content, the inner content, okay? The inner content and which is there and storing the value, whatever is there is that. Did you understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
First, I'm going to verify the inner text and what we have done previously. We are changing the order number semicolon and giving a star. What I mean, it's generating the different order numbers, right? So that's why I'm giving a star. And if you're executing this test case, whatever they're generating it dynamically, it will store the value in order underscore ID. and you are giving XB. It means dynamic buffer. Correct?
Okay.
Did you understand why uh, I mean, what I've done here?
So after including the star, it will take any random value every time it will generate. So it will store in that
Yes,
basis. Current, what I
correct.
have done was I
Yes.
have as in hard coded the order number.
Yeah, you have done a static one because you are
Yes.
not giving any star. Because if the TOSCA will verify the content order number, but after that, whatever they're generating the dynamic value, uh, already we have given a star, okay, and they're generating dynamic values. Okay, star means order number is there, but order number, whatever they're generating, the dynamic values, it will store in that content. What is that content? Order underscore ID. That is the content. That is the variable name. In variable name, you are storing the value, dynamic values. It will take that and it will execute the test case. At that time, it will not fail. If you're not giving the star mark, okay, if you're not giving the regular expression, it will fail because now executing with something 1 to 5 something there is a number. You are going to execute the test case. If you buy the another product, it will generate another order number, and at that case it will fail. So that's why previously whatever I have sent the screenshot, in that situation I didn't tell the regular expression, that star one, because I
Mm.
want to tell the scenario in this session.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, did you got it, guys?
Yeah.
Whatever I have said. Rajesh and Kiran?
Yes.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. Somewhere you did wrong. Could not find generic with the following properties. Let me try. Okay. And give here syntax. Don't give space. Don't give space.
But there is a space actually.
Hmm. Now please execute one. Is there any space in when you do like jump to module
Yeah, there is
attribute and you are
space
giving,
between this.
I mean, just go to jump to module attribute, and here we are giving the star mark, right? Jump to module attribute, yeah, and order number, order text, properties, order text.
There is no space.
Is there any space?
Okay.
Okay. Try to execute that one.
But here we have space, right? So
Let me try. If it is not working, then we will give you a space. Okay. Still it is not working. Visible in text order number 1837
7, 4,
1863747. Wait.
but
What
the
is the
number
content of that? What is the content of that?
the number it was showing was
Uh,
different,
go to,
and what
yeah,
number
go
is
to
is
test
different.
case. Hmm. Let me try this page. Can you please stop your screen? Hmm. Is that same way that you are doing? It's not showing.
That is not unique. Uh, uh,
It is not showing anything. That's why.
no, it came right. Li.
Yeah, it came. Here order success message. Hmm. It's showing a line. Let me try. I'm going to close this one. Mm, mm. Not showing. It's not showing properly. Previously, I have got another name, right? Order success misses. It's not showing that.
What is question number? As in,
Question number means there is a tip tags li. There is inner element. There is no name. Inner elements. I mean, the developers they will develop this coding, right? So they also tag with the div href li. So the inner elements are showing, but it's not showing the order number one. Maybe that's the reason that is not showing. I mean, test case executed. So that's why I'm trying
we
to
can
execute
go
this
with one
one.
more thing. We can click on the link, click here to for detail order details. Then we have the order number generated
The
over there.
same, yeah, the same kind of thing that you are facing. Huh?
Uh, yes,
Huh?
yes.
Yes, yes. Let me try.
I have got this question mark only.
Okay. And that is li?
No, no. Order number.
First, let me try to execute this one. Something is wrong. This one is, I know, verification has failed because expected value order number actual is order number A186517. Okay. So in that place, let me try to here only. It is split parts. Did you understand what I'm doing here? And then next you can click on that. Rajesh, did you understand?
Yeah, this one I got it. Yes.
Kiran, the test case is executed.
Sorry, what is it? My
The
system
test
got
case,
logged out.
this test case is executed.
Okay. So what you have done?
So here, your order has been successfully proceeded that I have identified this control and I'm giving the inner text. Good. Next order number message, whatever that you, LI means, LI, I'm changing the name, rename it. Order number message, just I'm going to do once again.
So you took the LI only, not the other
Yeah,
thing, message one.
yes. Up to this, you understand, right?
Yeah, that is getting passed.
Okay. Next, I'm going to give inner text. Next, I'm going to give uh, the order number, right? I'm going to copy that one. So here, I'm going to paste it. I'm just going to delete this one. At that point, give a space, give a flower bracket, X. Already it's showing XB. Just enter it, give, closed it. And I'm giving the buffer value, order underscore ID. Okay. And now I'm going to store the value in this variable name. Now I'm going to give a verify. I'm going to verify the order number message and whatever they're generating the value, I'm storing in order underscore ID variable name. Right? Clear? Now I'm going to execute this test case.
So have you, as in the module section, have you done this order number
Yeah,
as star?
yes, I'll show that. It is executed, right? The verification. Just go to jump to module attribute and here order number message, there is a outer text, right? Give a space because there is a space, that's why give a space and write it down.
Okay, okay.
And next, need to click on that and it will turn into another page. So this is the
Okay.
meaning of it. Clear, guys? Rajesh, the previous previously you have asked this doubt why you are doing order number and we are giving XP of order underscore ID that you
Yes, yes,
don't
yeah.
understand, correct?
Now I got
Mm.
it. Yes, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, please
Uh,
try it.
can we go to this tool and check those buffer value over there? So what is the story?
Yeah, store 1865197. Now it is there. If I buy another product, okay, it will generate another number, right? For example, um, now it generate another number, correct?
Yes.
Now I'm going to execute this test case. It got passed. The see the verification was successful. Order number XBF, whatever they're generating the different order numbers in dynamically, that will be stored into order underscore ID. You will check the buffer viewer. See 1865222. Correct? Previously there is a different number and here different number. If you're
Okay.
storing,
Yeah.
if you give a static number, it will fail because that next time it will not the same number, right? In this way you can do it. Your test case will not fail. Got it, my point?
Yes. And
Yeah.
for as in comparing this generated number with the display number on the screen to validate it. So how can we do it?
I don't understand.
So this jump, uh, we are dynamically generating the number and storing it in order underscore ID. Okay.
Yes.
So in the next screen, so to verify this order ID which is generated, it is matching with the order ID with the screen as well. So how can we compare it?
So the
for
next
the dynamic.
page, whatever it is, right? What I mean, you are talking about the next page. It will show uh, which one you are asking, the order number, right?
Yes, the dynamically generated order number. If you want to value.
It will relate to it only. I will going to click on this. Continue. Where it is it? So there is a order number inner text same.
There we can scroll down. There is one section, order number. Yeah, orders. Go to the orders
Where is the
in my
yeah.
account.
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah, so this orders, the order number, if you want to compare it, so by this dynamic generated number.
So in this page, how you do that? So you are asking, right?
Yes, just comparing this number and the dynamically
So
generated number.
previously it is generated this number. Previously, I mean, in the first starting, the number is generated. It will relate to it. Whatever you are executed the test case, it is we are giving already the star mark, right? It will store the value whatever it is generated, the application itself. Okay, it will relate to internally. It will relate to whatever. I mean, the generating numbers, whatever they give it, right? Inside it will relate, and if the test case, I mean, there is a chances, not chances, I'm 100% sure it will not fail. I don't know you got it my point or not.
Hey, I was talking about the syntax, what we can write if you want to compare this dynamically generated number which I have stored and this number. So
Hmm.
we can check with inner text by this order underscore ID and this number, right? How we can do this? The syntax would be how the syntax would be.
Syntax it oh, see inner text whatever the order number. See, inner text, what is the purpose of inner text? It is verified that the content is properly or not. The content is whatever we are exactly is there or not. That is the meaning of that inner text, correct? So here in thank you page, I mean, there is no thank you page here. So whatever the thank you page, the order number, that semicolon, and there is a number, right? They generated the dynamically. But why I'm using this buffer syntax? Today you are purchasing some product and it will generate one number. Tomorrow you purchase another product and it will generate another number. Correct? And in that case, when you go to the today, I mean, you are giving a static value. Something 15663 something, there is a static value and you are giving that static value. But today your test case is executed and it got passed. And tomorrow you come and you are executing your test case, you buy some product, uh, including some belt and something is there. You purchase another product and it will generate another number, order number, right? And at that case, the hard coded value, whatever you are given, it will executed. No, right? So whatever they generated the order numbers, so whatever, no matter how many times. So what is my intention? My test case will not fail. My test case will execute properly. So that's why. So whatever the order number is dynamic values, right? So that's why I'm giving the buffer value. Any number you are generating by application, it will store in that, and in that case my test cases will not fail because I'm not giving any hard coded values. I'm giving a dynamic buffer means I know this order number is not a static value, it is a dynamic value. So that's why I have given this syntax, and whatever the previous content order number, this semicolon, that previous content also I want to verify it along with order number. So that's why I given inner text.
नहीं नहीं,
And I'm
मैं मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि अभी हमने डायनामिक जनरेट ऑर्डर आईडी जनरेट करके हमने वी हैव स्टोर्ड इन ऑर्डर अंडरस्कोर आईडी इन आर दिस केस इन फर्स्ट केस। ओके, अभी हमें क्या करना है कि ये जो डायनेमिकली जनरेटेड ऑर्डर आईडी है वो आईडी हमें कंपेयर करना है वो नेक्स्ट ऑर्डर आईडी के साथ। तो लेट्स से हमने एक एक साइड में डायनेमिक ऑर्डर आईडी जनरेट किया है, जो सिस्टम ने जनरेट किया है, वो लिख के इक्वल्स टू द ऑर्डर आईडी विच वी आर सीइंग इन अ स्क्रीन इन ऑर्डर पेज। अभी जो हमने पेज में गए ना ऑर्डर पेज में, उसके साथ कंपेयर करना है कि वो दोनों मैच कर रहा है कि नहीं। सो इन इन दैट केस हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा?
इसको स्कैन करना पड़ेगा आपको। इसको स्कैन करके इसके हिसाब से आपको सिनेरियो लिखना पड़ेगा लाइक दिस। अब इसको
अच्छा,
आपको
तो मतलब
मैच
ये
करना
पूरा
है।
टेक्स्ट को पहले हमें एक स्टोर करना पड़ेगा बफर में,
हाँ
एंड देन
बिल्कुल।
वो बफर को डायनेमिक बफर के साथ कंपेयर करना पड़ेगा, राइट?
हाँ,
ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ
आपको सिंटैक्स
बराबर?
देना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मैं अकाउंट्स ऑर्डर्स पेंडिंग है अभी। ओके, वॉट एवर यू आर गिविंग दैट इज पेंडिंग, पेंडिंग स्टेट। सो जब आपका ऑर्डर आ जाएगा तो यहाँ पे नहीं रहेगा आपका डेटा, क्योंकि आपका हो गया। और नेक्स्ट अगर पेंडिंग भी है, आप इसको मैच करना चाहते हैं, लाइक ये इसको मैच करना चाहते हैं और इसको मैच करना चाहते हैं, सो इन दैट केस यू हैव टू डू द स्कैन। इसको स्कैन करके इसके हिसाब से आप इसको और इसको आप कंपेयर कर वेरीफाई करना चाहते हैं, तो उसको आपको स्कैन करना पड़ेगा और इसको भी स्कैन करना पड़ेगा, और इसके हिसाब से आपको सिंटैक्स लगाना पड़ेगा, बफर सिंटैक्स। या फिर आपको हार्ड कोडेड वैल्यूज भी दे सकते हैं। लेट मी आई मीन मैंने इसको मैं इस सिनेरियो मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया, आवाज है। ये पेज को मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया, बट आई विल ट्राई दैट। ओके,
ओके ओके, हाँ, या
बट
आई विल ट्राई
आप
फ्रॉम माय साइड एज वेल, क्योंकि मेरा उधर ये हो रहा था ना, स्टोर नहीं हो रहा था। सो आई वाज नॉट एबल टू प्रोसीड विद द नेक्स्ट फेज। आई विल ट्राई फ्रॉम माय साइड एज वेल।
पहले इसको ट्राई कीजिए, उसके बाद क्या करेंगे
हाँ,
आप, जब यहाँ पे मैं इस पे जाऊंगी, तो आपको ऑटोमेटिकली नेविगेट करना पड़ेगा ऑर्डर्स के नीचे। ऑर्डर्स के थ्रू जाके आपको इसको वेरीफाई करेंगे। ओके, अब ये वेरीफाई हो गया तो यू कैन डू इट। आई मीन आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि अच्छा ये सिनेरियो हो रहा है यहाँ पे। हम कंपेयर कर सकते हैं, या फिर एक ही सिंटैक्स, एक ही आई मीन इनर टेक्स्ट इक्वल्स टू ऑर्डर नंबर बोल के बफर सिंटैक्स लगा सकते हैं एक ही बार, या फिर दो दो बार लगाना पड़ेगा आपको, क्योंकि यहाँ पे दो ऑर्डर्स है फिलहाल के लिए।
ओके ओके
अब ये अब वो तो सिनेरियो बेस के ऊपर मैं एक पहले मैं शुरू करूंगी इस पेज को स्कैन करके, एक ही नंबर के साथ मैं शुरू करूंगी। अगर वो चल गया, एग्जीक्यूट हो गया, और मैं नेविगेट करना चाहती हूँ, यहाँ पे नेविगेटिंग का कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है। अब जाना पड़ेगा तो आपको सीधा होम पेज पे जाना पड़ेगा, या फिर दूसरा कोई प्रोडक्ट चूज करना चाहते हैं तो डायरेक्टली जाना पड़ेगा। यहाँ पर कोई कंटिन्यू या कंफर्मेशन या फिर कुछ सबमिट बटन कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे। सो दिस इज जस्ट शोइंग यू दैट ये कि आपके ऑर्डर्स ये है, दैट्स इट। अब यहाँ पे नेविगेट करने के लिए कुछ नहीं है, ये जस्ट आपको रेफरेंस का पेज है ये। करेक्ट, आपको कहीं कंफ्यूजन हो गया है, आपको रेफर करना चाहते हैं कि मैंने क्या क्या ऑर्डर किया है, सो दैट्स इट। अभी ये पेज स्कैन कीजिए, देखिए कि एक बार लगाना पड़ेगा या दो बार लगाना पड़ेगा। अगेन यू गो टू होम पेज, ये जाके ऑटोमेटिकली यहाँ पे क्लिक करना है,
ओके एंड
या फिर
ओके, हाँ ठीक है, मैं ये करता हूँ, ये मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ। एंड एक और
आप
चैलेंज मुझे पूछना था।
हाँ जी।
अ, ये जैसे होवर माउस ओवर है, राइट? माउस ओवर
तो
में माउस ओवर करने टाइम में वी विल गेट अ ड्रॉप डाउन
या
एनी
मॉस ओवर का
एनी ऑफ द
सिंटैक्स भी
टाइप।
है।
हाँ, सो अभी माउस ओवर का सिंटैक्स मैंने यूज किया, सो इट यूज, बट व्हाट द ओवर के टाइम अंदर मुझे जाने को है ना, सिलेक्ट करने का ऑप्शंस नहीं देता था। इज देयर एनी अदर अदर वे?
मतलब ऐसे जाएगा, तो माउस ओवर तो
हाँ
करेगा लेकिन अंदर जाके सेलेक्ट नहीं हो पा रहा है।
हाँ राइट। मतलब वो जो स्कैनिंग का ऑप्शन है ना, तभी वो नहीं हो रहा है। लेट्स से इफ आई सिलेक्ट द स्कैन स्कैन का ऑप्शन ना,
स्कैन
सो
पे नहीं हो
इट इज।
पाएगा बिकॉज माउस ओवर का रिलेटेड है। अब अगर आप स्कैन करेंगे तो जैसे हटाएंगे आप उसको, वो निकल जाएगा, करेक्ट।
यस।
मतलब आप नेविगेट करना चाहते हैं, यहाँ पे नेविगेट करेंगे और माउस ओवर करेंगे, और यहाँ पे आपको सेल फोन पे जाना है।
राइट
और
राइट।
और उस पे यहाँ पे फिर सेल फोन पे क्लिक करना है।
यस यस, मैंने
तो
अभी
ये
क्या
एग्जिट।
ट्वीक किया उसको, कि अभी मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, माउस ओवर करके ही डायरेक्टली क्लिक करना कर रहा हूँ। और देन ये पेज में आने तक वे वेट कर रहा हूँ। और देन मैं यहाँ पर स्मार्टफोन को सिलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ। सो ये मैंने थोड़ा सा ट्वीक किया उसको, ऐसे वेट करने पे।
अच्छा अच्छा। तो
सो
यहाँ पे
बट मुझे,
आपका
हाँ,
ऐसे इस तरह जाके इस तरह क्लिक करने में यहाँ पे आपका टेस्ट केस फेल हो रहा है क्या?
नहीं अभी मैंने तो, हाँ, नहीं वो सिलेक्ट स्क्रॉल डाउन नहीं कर रहा है। मतलब उसका ऑप्शन क्या है, माउस होवर पे स्क्रॉल डाउन करना।
ओके।
माउस
क्लिक
ओवर
करूँ क्या?
करना है, और माउस ओवर करके नीचे आना है जहां पर सेल फोन लिखा रहेगा, उसको क्लिक करना है। ऐसा कंडीशन बनाना है, तो फिर क्या करें?
तो वहां पे एक स्क्रीनशॉट है ना, मैंने भेजा है। पहले इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स को अगर है तो वहां पे माउस ओवर करना है, और वहां पे नीचे जो सेल फोन है, सो सेल फोन एग्जिट रहेगा। तो सेल फोन पे एग्जिट इक्वल्स टू ट्रू लिखेंगे हम, और सेल फोन पे क्लिक देंगे। तो उसको उस पेज को स्कैन करना पड़ेगा आपको। लेट मी ट्राई।
मेरे पास वो स्क्रीनशॉट था, उसमें नहीं था ऐसा, क्योंकि उसमें सिर्फ माउस ओवर था। माउस ओवर के नीचे बाद में ये था।
मैंने पहले इसको सेट करना पड़ेगा। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, कैमरा, फोटो, सेल फोन्स, राइट। आप इसको
हम्म।
हाईलाइट करेंगे, देन यू कैन सी हाईलाइट ऑप्शन, राइट। यहाँ पे क्लिक करके हाईलाइट करेंगे। सॉरी, ये नहीं है, वो तो अंदर है ना, यहाँ पे अंदर है, तो
राइट
इसलिए आपको
राइट।
हाईलाइट ऑप्शन नहीं दिखा रहा है। बट इनर एलिमेंट है ना वो तो इसको इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सेल फोन मैंने, ओके। अब इसको मुझे यूनिक बनाना पड़ेगा। यहाँ पे वैल्यू नहीं है, यहाँ पे वैल्यू नहीं है, यहाँ पे वैल्यू नहीं है। Okay. तो मैं यहाँ पे कोऑर्डिनलिटी इंक्रीज करूंगी, सो दैट मैं एक ही जगह मैं परफॉर्म करना चाहती हूँ। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स पे कोऑर्डिनलिटी रहेगा, उसको एन बनाओगे। सेलफोन चाहिए ना मुझे, राइट। वेट ऑन दे रही हूँ ताकि विजिबल होने तक रुक सके वो। तो उसके बाद मैं सिंटैक्स देना चाहती हूँ मोस ओवर। दिस इज माई इनपुट। इसको एग्जीक्यूट करके देखें। ओके, यहाँ तक वर्क हो रहा है हमें। अब मुझे सेलफोन्स पे जाके क्लिक करना है। मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ इसको, एग्जिट रहेगा, देन वेरीफाई करो। उसके बाद उस पे क्लिक के एक्शन हो जाए। लेट मी ट्राई। सी, इट्स वर्किंग।
ओके, सो यू हैव, अच्छा वो आपने हाईलाइट वाला फीचर यूज करके फिर उसको आपने सिलेक्ट।
फिल्टर्ड आइटम बार है ना,
ओके।
उसका इनर एलिमेंट है एक्चुअली। तो इनर एलिमेंट होने के बाद हमें इसको मोस ओवर करने के बाद ही दिखेगा, स्कैन नहीं करना पड़ेगा इसको। इसलिए मैंने
ओके।
फिल्टर बार आइटम्स मैंने स्टार्टिंग में कहा था, जब इनर एलिमेंट कुछ होगा, आप उसको स्कैन करना चाहते हो तो इसको यूज करो, फिल्टर आइटम बार को। है अभी 5 मिनट्स। ओके, अंडरस्टूड।
यस यस, गॉट
Actually, I stuck here actually.
यू आल्सो राइट राजेश।
Yes, yes, yes. From
नहीं,
here
मेरा
only. Yes.
एग्जीक्यूट हो गया, मैंने थोड़ा सा ट्वीक किया। मैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स को क्लिक करके आई वेटेड एंड देन आई वेंट टू द स्मार्टफोन एंड क्लिक फ्रॉम देयर।
ओके,
ऐसा, ये क्लिक
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स
करने
को।
के बाद भी ये सेम पेज आता है, राइट? सो यहाँ पे
हाँ
फिर
हाँ
क्या?
हाँ, ओके। यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स पे 2 ऑप्शंस नजर आएगा आपको। आप डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे क्लिक करने से आप स्टक हो गए यहाँ पे। यहाँ पे नहीं हो रहा है, आप यहाँ पे जाएंगे, फिर सेलफोन्स चूज करेंगे, फिर सेलफोन्स पे जाएंगे। तो इस तरह किया है ना आपने।
राइट राइट, मतलब वो
हाँ,
सेम ही इसमें किया मैंने उसको, एक ही मॉड्यूल में
एक
मैंने
ही टाइम
कवर
पे
कर
मैंने
दिया।
किया। हाँ,
राइट राइट, एक ही इसमें कवर कर दिया सब कुछ।
ओके, गॉट इट गाइस, नाउ क्लियर।
यस यस यस।
Okay, so आप try कीजिए. Rajesh, please try it.
Yeah, sure. I will
Whatever.
try it. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So tomorrow we will start with the Excel operations. Okay, Excel operations, how we are taking and how we are compare the data, everything. We'll discuss in tomorrow's session. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Kiran and Rajesh.
Thank
Yeah,
you. Bye.
thank you.
Yeah. Bye. Take care. Have a good day.
Bye.
Yeah,
Yeah. Bye.
same to you.
Thank you.